Did you know that cancer and dementia can be caused by what you eat along with eggplant? Even with healthy foods like eggplant, there are optimal combinations and bad combinations of foods. Just like that, even with such a good food as eggplant, you have to eat it properly for it to be good for your body. If you eat it with foods that are not good for your body, it can actually harm your health. That's why I've prepared. I'll tell you about 3 foods that are the worst combination with eggplant for preventing cancer and dementia, as well as 3 foods that are the best combination. Hello everyone. I'm your health expert, Dr. John. Are there still those who haven't subscribed? Please subscribe and hit the like button right now. Also, please share with your precious ones, and I kindly ask you to introduce Dr. John to them. I'll continue to deliver only the best health information for you. When we eat food, we don't just consume one ingredient. Even in a single dish, ingredients complement each other in taste and nutrition. However, just because the taste combination is good doesn't mean the nutritional combination is. If you consume foods with bad combinations, it can harm your body. And it might even lead to conditions like cancer and dementia. Each natural ingredient has its own good nutritional components. Knowing these components well and consuming them all is the best habit for health. Dr. John will always be with you for your health. Today's star is eggplant, the best food for recovering vitality. According to surveys, eggplant is considered the most disliked vegetable. We know that purple vegetables and fruits are good for the body. But eggplant is one of those ingredients that always divides opinions due to its mushy texture and unique smell. However, if you know, eggplant is truly a charming ingredient that you must have. Because of its cooling nature, eggplant soothes ailments caused by heat accumulation in the body and reduces excessive heat in the body, especially in seasons when stamina is low. You should prioritize eggplant over tonics. But, did you know, there are foods that are harmful to health? When eaten with eggplant, even though eggplant is good for health. So let's find out now the 3 worst foods for preventing cancer and dementia when eaten with eggplant. And the 3 best foods that can help us extend our healthy lifespan. The worst food for health when eaten with eggplant is cucumber. Surprised, aren't you? Nowadays, many people enjoy eating eggplant and cucumber together in cold salad. And some even consume them together for dieting purposes. However, those who naturally have a cold body constitution should not eat eggplant and cucumber together. Eggplant, being inherently cold in nature, not only cools down the body on hot summer days, but also helps to alleviate the heat in those with overheated bodies, aiding in blood circulation. Additionally, this cooling nature is highly effective in treating inflammation. Eggplant's cold nature soothes the burning inflammation in the body, similar to applying an ice pack. Therefore, eggplant is widely used for treating chronic diseases caused by inflammation, such as arthritis. Pay attention here. However, this cold nature of eggplant can be harmful to those with conditions like cold limbs or cold bodies. Moreover, consuming cucumber, which shares a cold property with eggplant, excessively cools down the body, leading to indigestion, abdominal pain, and even coldness-related disorders. When the body is cold, it reduces the blood flow to the heart, causing blood clotting, and potentially leading to cardiovascular diseases like stroke and low blood pressure. Furthermore, eggplant and cucumber are vegetables composed mainly of water, making up to 95% of their content. They are low in calories and rich in dietary fiber, aiding in body circulation. Especially when you sweat a lot, consuming such hydrating vegetables helps prevent dehydration and restores energy. However, the issue arises with excessive diuretic effects. Eating eggplant alone is hydrating enough, but consuming cucumber alongside enhances diuretic effects, potentially harming health and burdening the kidneys. Excessive diuresis not only removes waste but also essential nutrients from the body, and can lead to abnormal electrolyte levels and edema. Therefore, moderation is key when consuming any good food. Proper intake is crucial. So, how should we eat eggplant then? The first recommended food that goes best with eggplant is broccoli. You already know that broccoli is good for the body, right? However, eggplant and broccoli together create a miraculous combination. A cancer research institute in Japan once announced the synergistic effect of consuming eggplant and broccoli together. In fact, when these two foods were eaten together, there was a cancer suppression effect of over 82%. The alkaloid compounds in dietary fiber in eggplant help to remove animal fats that cause colorectal cancer, breast cancer, and ovarian cancer, protecting our bodies from cancer. Eggplant is almost black in color, close to dark purple, due to the high content of anthocyanins such as niacin and hyacinth. These pigments lower cholesterol levels, expel waste accumulated in blood vessels, preventing metabolic syndrome, as well as cardiovascular diseases, such as stroke, hypertension, atherosclerosis, and even Alzheimer's prevention. When combined with broccoli's anti-cancer components like sulforaphane and indole, it exhibits tremendous synergy. It activates immune enzymes that fight against cancer and suppresses inflammatory reactions that create cancer cells, thus preventing cancer. Furthermore, broccoli's vitamin C content is twice that of lemons and 7 times that of potatoes, providing antioxidant effects and preventing aging. So, from now on, make sure to eat eggplant and broccoli together. You can chop eggplant and broccoli finely to make a stir-fry, or simply drizzle sesame oil over them, to significantly increase their digestion and absorption rate. Remember this tip. The second worst food for health when it comes to eggplant is eating it raw. To fully utilize the benefits of eggplant, the way you consume it is crucial. Eggplant contains solanine, a toxin, so eating it raw can be very dangerous. You might be familiar with solanine, as it's present in sprouted potatoes and can be toxic. Well, it's also found in raw eggplant. Solanine can cause symptoms of poisoning such as abdominal pain, gastrointestinal disorders, dizziness. And in severe cases, it can lead to respiratory distress, loss of consciousness, paralysis, and other serious conditions. So, how should you eat eggplant? Since solanine is destroyed by heat, it's essential to cook eggplant before consuming it. Once cooked, it becomes sweeter and more delicious, so it's a win-win. Some people might also have allergic reactions to eggplant. So it's crucial to know your health condition and take care of yourself. Secondly, the best pairing with eggplant is pork. Eggplant and pork complement each other in taste and nutrition, making them an ideal combination in every aspect. Eggplant is rich in potassium, which helps to expel excess sodium from our bodies, thus lowering blood pressure. Additionally, it directly affects the heart, maintaining stable heart rates. When consumed with pork, it not only prevents and manages high blood pressure, but also aids in waste excretion and brain function activation. Moreover, the flavonoid components in eggplant lower LDL bad cholesterol levels and raise HDL good cholesterol levels, making it highly effective in preventing cardiovascular diseases. Despite its numerous benefits, eggplant is low in protein and fat content. However, when eaten with pork, it balances out the nutrition perfectly. Stir-frying eggplant with pork enhances its flavor, while also maximizing the absorption of linoleic acid and vitamin E from eggplant. Here's a tip. Since eggplant's antioxidant components are primarily found in the skin, be sure to eat the skin as well. Additionally, overly thick eggplants may taste bitter. So opt for plump, short ones with a glossy appearance for a tastier dish. Lastly, the worst food for health when it comes to eggplant is eggplant fritters or fries. We all know that fried foods aren't good for the body, right? Among them, eggplant fritters are particularly unhealthy. Eggplant absorbs oil very well, especially when fried, which is why it's not recommended. When frying, oils like vegetable oil or corn oil are often used to achieve a crispy texture. However, the issue lies in these oils containing unhealthy omega-6 fatty acids. Consuming too much omega-6 fatty acids can cause inflammation and blood clotting in the body. Chronic inflammation can lead to autoimmune diseases like arthritis and cancer. Furthermore, it can also lead to cardiovascular diseases such as atherosclerosis, myocardial infarction, hypertension, stroke, and even dementia. Eating eggplant fritters means consuming a lot of these unhealthy omega-6 fatty acids, so it's best to avoid them. Additionally, frying itself is problematic. When frying eggplant, it's coated with flour, which is high in carbohydrates, and then fried in high-fat vegetable oil. This results in a high-calorie, low-protein, high-sodium diet. Not to mention the formation of trans fats. Therefore, it can lead to various diseases such as obesity and metabolic syndrome. Lastly, the best food pairing with eggplant is olive oil. You might find it strange that after advising against consuming heavily oiled eggplant fritters, I'm recommending consuming eggplant with olive oil. Well, it's all about the type of oil. The olive oil I recommended is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids. It's so good that it's recommended to have a spoonful of it daily. Olive oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help in removing cholesterol and preventing high blood pressure. It's also beneficial for brain health, thus essential for preventing dementia. Consuming eggplant with olive oil not only benefits your health, but also enhances the flavor and richness. So, next time you make eggplant salad, make sure to drizzle it with olive oil. But wait, there's more. The polyphenols present in eggplant reduce sugar intake and increase insulin secretion, making it especially beneficial for those with diabetes. In these times when energy and immunity are low, eggplant not only replenishes energy but also its beta-carotene and retinol components help eliminate bacteria and viruses, preventing food poisoning. So, dear subscribers, make sure to include eggplant in your diet. So, let's summarize what we've learned about eggplant and its best and worst food pairings. Then it's time to summarize. Firstly, instead of cucumbers, eggplant should be consumed with broccoli. Secondly, never eat eggplant raw, but it's best cooked with pork. Additionally, avoid eggplant fritters. And opt for cooking it with omega-3 rich oils like sesame oil and olive oil. How does that sound? Prepare eggplant along with its healthy food pairings. Cook it well, and take care of your health. Thank you so much for being with us throughout this journey. If you found today's video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Also, kindly share it with your loved ones and friends. I'll always pray for your health and happiness. This has been Dr. John. Thank you.